is the Embrace Athletic Box 3 that you're going to be receiving in your postseason. We've got our overview sheet. This is going to show you every item in the box, how many items you're going to be receiving, and what to do with each item in the box. So just like the coaches received in the first box, one of these coffee bean bracelets, we've got one for every athlete. We want them to be able to wear these branded bracelets to represent the coffee bean and overcoming adversity. Next up in our box, we know that your seniors have put in a lot of hard work this season, so we want to recognize them. We've got a Senior Stronger Together sticker for seniors, so just to congratulate them on their accomplishments in the last 4 years. In addition, we've got a Next Step brochure. This is just to be given to your senior athletes. So as you guys know, less than 10% of athletes go on to play college ball. So this brochure is going to give some information about college, preparing for college, military ready, degrees, also some going into the workforce. So we've got some interview questions. So we want to make sure that your seniors have this information and they're ready for their next step after high school. Next up, we've got a few items for the coaches. We've got some Coffee Bean for Life keychains. We just want the coaches to get this item as a gift to their role model that they've done this season for the athletes, and we want you to be able to use this as a reminder that you're living out those traits of a coffee bean. We've also got some floor messages for you. These are vinyl floor stickers that can go in your locker room. They could lead into the coach's office, wherever you may put them, but they're motivational stickers to go on the floor. So your athletes or whoever walks in the door can remember with each step, read the message, take it in. They're motivational and encouraging messages. This season, we've also got some yard signs. We want you as coaches to be able to recognize 2 athletes that you feel have demonstrated and shown Coffee Bean of the Month, Coffee Bean traits, and you can recognize them as Coffee Bean of the Month. The goal is that you hand this out to an athlete and then they return it, and then you recognize someone the next month and keep it going. Again, this is going to be a reminder, for a visual for them to show their neighborhood that they've got this award. As always, we've got our digital resources that are available online to saturate your community and your social media handles with the same messaging of the coffee bean and motivational quotes and information. Reach out to us if you need anything, and that's the Box 3 Embrace Athletic Box.